We'll just do a quick Q&A sa mga nakikita kong tanong with the upcoming withholding tax for online sellers and registration with the e-market operators. So for the sworn deck, ang basis natin would be your prior year's sales if meron na. It can be through your own records na kapag tingin mong sosobra ka ng 500K based on your estimation, then huwag ka na mag-submit ng sworn deck dahil kung lumagpas yan, wala rin kwenta. Kung kakastart mo lang naman, pwede ka mag-submit ng sworn deck kasi hindi mo sure eh. For TikTok shop sellers, right now kasi ang nakikita ko is like i-input mo lang yung TIN mo. For now, TikTok shop wala pa akong nakikitang yung talagang strict na pag-require. Pero I feel like they will have an update really soon. Tapos, as for the reporting of income right now, I suggest na kung magkano yung pumasok sa bank account mo, yun muna yung gagamitin mong isang resibo na lang with everything. Full amount, yun yung isusulat mo sa resibo as sales mo. DTI required talaga magpa-register no matter what. Pero yung mayor's permit, possible na hindi mo kailangan kasi pwede mong sabihin na babalot ka lang sa bahay. So, di ka i-require ng mayor's permit. And if you submit your documents with the BAR and sinabi mong online seller ka, hindi ka i-require ng mayor's permit if wala ka. Hindi na siya required. So there guys, have it muna. Let's stay tuned for part 2 for other questions.